Hello friends, here with another origami tutorial. First of all, you have to take a piece of paper. You may draw some print on it so that it may look elegant. Fold it into two triangles. Open the fold. Again from the other side, the same steps. Now turn the page, unfold to the center, finely and beautifully. Press well to have creases upon your paper. Now turn it and again towards the center line. Brilliant. Now we have a square type structure in between. Follow the instructions step by step and you will be able to make it perfectly. Now fold it, leaving an inch at the top. Now again the same step from the other side, okay? Fold the top to the bottom. Fold the sides inwards. Okay, it's partially done actually. Form the base, then from the other side shape it perfectly. It's done. Put your card in the place and close your bag, and ta-da, it's done. Don't forget to like, share and follow. See you in the next video. Bye bye.